Prolonged heartbreak! Prolonged! The dumbass Carolina Hurricane! I've officially started a hurricane! Damn it! Dear Devil fan! Open Sebastian! It was only a matter of time. Jacob Markstrom, 50 straight saves. He did everything he could. Everything. It's a horrible way to lose. I'm 3-0 in the first second. The comeback, stupid ass Canes. Can't take this anymore. Should have been a game 6. Should have been one. But we're going home. We're going home. No, I'm not. Congratulations, dumbass Hurricanes. Congratulations. Where the referees just commit larceny. Highway fucking larceny. 4-minute power play. Sickening and embarrassing. And that's the way the season comes to an end.